Scythe 460 Taper versus Night Shield 380 Needle. Let the battle begin. This Beyblade battle is basically Bird versus Multi. Yeah, this is just one of those battles that didn't happen in the manga or didn't happen as of yet in the manga, so I just want to do this in case it does happen in the anime, because if it does, that would be really interesting. Anyway, let's start the battle. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! That was the quickest burst finish I've ever seen. Okay, I mean, the quickest burst finish I've ever seen for Beyblade X. Anyway, your winner is Scythe with a burst finish in round 1. Round 2, 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay, Night Shield is on the defensive. And Night Shield wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! That was almost an over finish. Night Shield staying defensive. Let's see who wins. It's really close, and Scythe wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Scythe is tipping forward. Night Shield's holding on. And Night Shield wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Self-extreme! Night Shield wins that round with the extreme finish. Go shoot! Whoa! Okay, that was crazy. The Night Shield actually came out to hit me. Wow. Anyway, Scythe wins that round with, I want to call that an extreme finish, but that was actually an over finish. Go shoot! Okay, Scythe wins that round with the over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. Scythe's got a nice amount of extreme dashes so far. Like it did a nice amount though. Night Shield's in the center. I kinda wonder if Night Shield's doing better because of the green background. Anyway, Night Shield was that round with the spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay, that's crazy. Like Scythe was just getting knocked around so much on the extreme line. Couldn't even properly follow it. Night Shield is holding on. And Scythe wins with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! That got really crazy really fast. Okay, it's slowing down. And Night Shield wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Crazy upper attack. Scythe was that round with the over finish. Go shoot! Whoa! Extreme finish! Scythe was that round with the extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! I can't do it. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Night Shield tried to do a counterattack, but Scythe wins with another over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Whoa! Night Shield is countering these attacks. Night Shield's tipping over. It's still trying to defend. Scythe is doing his best. Night Shield wins with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Whoa! They're both extreme dashing. Huge hits. And Night Shield wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh no! I thought it was going to be a burst finish, but it didn't happen. Oh wow! Huge hits! Night Shield wins that round with a spin finish. This battle's getting even more crazy as we go along. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! That was really crazy. Scythe wins that round with a burst finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Scythe missed the extreme dash. Okay, this is actually a pretty calm battle. And Night Shield wins that round with the spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! That's a crazy burst finish to Night Shield. Scythe wins that round with the burst finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Extreme finish! Okay, Scythe wins that round with the extreme finish. Okay, so before I announce the winner, if you'd like to support this channel, feel free to go to Model Toys. There's a link in the description. And when you click the link, you'll actually go to the site itself. And whenever you purchase the link, you'll actually support me in the process. I also have discount codes for both Model Toys and Bays and Bricks. It's called the Legendary R. And whenever you put in the coupon code for Model Toys, it saves you 5% off. And whenever you put in the coupon code for Bays and Bricks, it saves you 7% off. And if you want to support me in a non-financial way, you can actually support me by like, commenting, sharing, or subscribing. All those things help a lot, and I appreciate it. Your support is what actually helps me buy Beyblades like these, which I really didn't expect to actually be able to buy Beyblade X, but thank you so much, I appreciate it. Anyway, I will announce the winner now. Your winner is Scythe 480 Taper. Wait, 460 Taper. Yeah, that Beyblade battle was really crazy, but I'm really surprised that Scythe was able to win it because, like, overall, all those smash attacks and some of those upper attacks, it really just shows you how strong Scythe is, even for, you know, a Beyblade that's just starting. Like, this generation is just starting, and it's already being really good in terms of smash attacks and upper attacks and stuff like that. That was also the first time I ever seen a Beyblade just pop out of the arena and just hit me like that. So, yeah, really crazy from Scythe. Anyway, like if you want, share if you want, and subscribe to become a legend in the making. See you next time, bye, and we are proven to be legendary. Stay legendary.